Forno introduces you to the Paolo 6011 48-inch electric range. The white finish harmonizes professional style and durability with antique brass, offering a timeless look that enhances your kitchen style while maintaining a hygienic space. Ceramic glass cooktop ensures even heat distribution and allows smooth movement of cookware, enhancing cooking efficiency. Cooktop power ranges from a gentle 100 watts to a robust 3,300 watts, accommodating everything from keeping warm or simmering sauces to rapid boiling. The 100-watt warming zone keeps dishes at the perfect serving temperature. A beautiful professional pro-style handle with a large viewing window. Elegant antique brass control knobs with bezel rings adds a touch of class and sophistication and will maintain its luster for years to come. The main oven capacity size is of 4.38 cubic feet and comes equipped with 2 adjustable oven racks, maximizing cooking space and enabling you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. Dual element broiler with 3,000 watts of total power offers high temperatures for quick broiling and a lower wattage setting for delicate dishes like fish and chicken. A powerful hidden bake element hides below the oven floor, providing 1,800 watts of power. Simplifies maintenance by preventing spills from burning onto the element, reducing odors, and making cleanup effortless. The second oven has capacity of 2.32 cubic feet with 2 adjustable racks and a bake element of 1,500 watt. 1,200 watt true convection fan, delivering faster, more even cooking results. The convection high bake function accelerates preheating, rapidly bringing the oven to your desired temperature, allowing you to start cooking sooner and enjoy faster, more efficient baking and roasting. The bright halogen oven lighting allows you to monitor your cooking progress without opening the door and losing heat. The black enameled oven improves heat absorption and retention for consistent cooking. Cook with confidence and embrace efficiency and style with every use. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.